Good afternoon, everybody. This is Manny Lowe coming at you with another video here, another unboxing video. This is for the Tough Armor Pro from Spigen for the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, Tab 7 S7 Plus 5G, and then the Tabs S7 Plus, regular just Tab S7 with no 5G. Let's see what we got inside the box here. We got our case and a nice plastic protective pouch. This should be disposed of properly because we don't want the kitties to get into it. We got our little instruction sheet. Oh, nice. This is a two-piece set. Got a soft rubber outer cover and then this nice stiff hard plastic. Outer case that I guess is gives it a little bit of stiffness and a little bit of more protection for the Tab S8. So let's get this in there and see how it fits and how it works. Oh, nice. It's fitting in there nice and snug. Oh yeah. And as you can see, it has a little edge here to help protect it when it's face down, protect these glass. And then it's got this outer shell to provide a little bit of stiffness. Put this in there. Get the whole thing covered up. Make sure it clicks in nice into space. There you go. It's in there. Get our S Pen and stick it inside this protector here. All right, and there you have it. It's got a little kickstand that's adjustable. Make it so you can do video calls or just if you're watching TV or something, video. You got it right there. So it's all well and good, clicks into place. Everything seems to be nice and tight, and you got your USB connector right there, so it gives you got a little indentation here to give you some space to plug in your USB cable. It's got some area here for your speakers so you can hear your music. You got your power and your volume up or whatever you program these buttons for on your Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. And this is the Spigen Tough Armor Pro case for the Galaxy S8 Plus, the Tab S7 Plus 5G, and the Tab S7 Plus. Alrighty, have a great day.